Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Toyota Highlander. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts, and a new oil filter. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. It's also wise to let the engine cool down for about 30 minutes. Now, let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your vehicle using a jack and jack stands or drive onto ramps. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using the correct size socket wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old oil to completely drain into the pan. Once drained, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it securely. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Locate the oil filter housing, which is usually a canister-like component. Place your drain pan underneath it, as some oil may spill. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a quarter to half a turn more with the wrench. Do not over-tighten. Finally, it's time to add the new oil. Carefully lower your vehicle back to the ground. Locate the oil fill cap on the top of your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Using a funnel, slowly pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts. Replace the oil fill cap. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.